Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to show you how to take the kiosk out from your road case. So the first thing you want to do is you want to loosen the latch on your case. Then you want to remove the top cover of your case and lay it right next to the body. That way when you pull your kiosk out, you're able to lay it right on top. Next thing you want to do is you want to add some cushion right there on the bottom where the kiosk is going to lay so it doesn't get scratched. And now usually we have two people that take the kiosk out from the case, but in this scenario, one person is able to pull it out, lift it, and lay it gently on the cover of the road case. And now you can begin the process of attaching the base to the kiosk. So now when you attach the base, you want to unscrew all the screws on the bottom of the body of the kiosk. And then you want to take your base and you want to align the holes of the base with the body of the kiosk. And what we usually do is we manually screw in the first two screws. That way we have enough wiggle room for the other screws. All right, once you detach your base from your kiosk, now you want to put the screws back into the holes, and then you're going to lift from the top cover, and you are going to gently lay the kiosk on its side and slide it right directly in to your road case. Once that's done, you put everything away and you put your lid on top and you tighten the latch. And now you're good to go.